In this video, I'll be showing you how I'm going to create my second ad. In the last video, I showed you how I created my first ad. For this video now, we'll be creating our second ad. Some of the things I'll be doing here may not be what you used to do, and this is my own strategy. So ensure you watch the video to the end so that you can learn my own strategy that I have been using over the years. Without further ado, let's get into it. Right now I am in my ad manager, so I'm going to click on ad manager. This is the ad we set before, so I'm going to leave that one as it is, and if I like, I can pause it. This was our first ad, so I've paused it. Now I am going to go to campaign. While under campaign, let's unselect this. Then I'm going to create new. For this one, I will be selecting sales. Let me select sales and click continue. Then I'll use manual sales campaign, continue. The name I would like to give it, let's give it a name, just backup. The name we want to give it is backup. The reason I give it this name is this is where I'll be creating most of my ad, so that I will have all those call to action and titles. So I will go to ad set. Conversion location will be on website. Now for these, let's leave this as it is. Conversion event, let's click on this, and of course you can see our pixel here. You can see the pixel we created in the last video. You can see it here. If you don't create pixel, you won't see this. Okay, now let's select conversion event. Let's select view content, because that is the only one that is active now. We have not created purchase event yet. We'll do that later. We'll create a retargeting audience for those that visit our landing page. The daily budget will be 3,000 naira. Our currency is in naira, okay? And of course, our location is Nigeria. That is all we need to do here. We don't need so much. Okay, let's work on the audience. Let's switch to original audience. Let's use saved audience. Let's pick this, and that is all. We'll go to ad set. Or let's give it a name. Let's give our ad set a name. Let's go to ad level, and we'll give it a name, backup ad. Our page is selected, our Instagram account is selected. Now let's go to media, uncheck this. Okay, for our URL, let's go to our systeme.io. This is our squeeze page. Let's copy the URL. Let's go back to our ad manager, paste the URL here, and set up your ad creative. We'll use video, click next. Okay, we have gotten our primary text. Let's simply paste it here. Then our headline. Let's try and get our headline. Revit structure tutorial for beginner tutorials for beginners. Okay, that is the headline. Let's use this one also. Revit for civil engineers, start here. Okay, this makes sense. Description. Let's copy this. Let's copy all this one out, because from my experience, sometimes it could misbehave and then you lose it. Let's paste it in our notepad. Then for the description, let's paste it in notepad. Paste it in notepad. Let's get the headline. Okay, so let's click next. We'll use this particular video. Click next. Wait for it to load. Click next. Let's click done. It should preview now. Let's change our thumbnail by editing media, edit video, go to thumbnail, manual, upload. Let's use this. Save. Okay, see the primary text here. The headline. Okay, for the display URL, okay, so that is our website URL and the display link. I think we are cool with this, so we want to publish it now. Let's publish it. Click done. Let's close this. Refresh. Okay, this is for video. Let's do for image. It's a question of duplicating this one. We'll duplicate this one so that we'll use this one for image. Duplicate. Simply give it a name, image. Then remove the media and change it to image. Click next. Click next again. We use this particular image. This is a square. When you are using image, though, you should try to have as many variety as possible. You can have a square image, vertical image, horizontal image, have as many as possible. Okay, for this one I'm using now, I'm using square. Then click done. Everything should be all right. Yeah, that is it. So we are going to publish it now. Publish it. Let's view. So we have been able to publish 2 ads. In our next ad, we'll be using awareness objective, and in that ad we will come back here and get the post ID of all these ads I've just created now, so that we can have all those features that conversion objective normally have, which are the headline, the call to action, and the rest of them. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye.